Hi everyone, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let me show you nice 3-star hotel right in center of Jakarta, Juno Tanah Abang. Room prices here from 40 to almost 60 US dollars per night. This is 600, 850 IDR. Follow me, I will show you everything. Ground floor, here is main lobby and storage room if you have big amount of luggage. Vending machines and restaurant. Here's Juno Skyline view room with huge windows and great Jakarta view. Also we have here JBL Bluetooth speaker, air condition, large TV, complimentary Netflix account, place for clothes and luggage, bottled water, locker, coffee, tea, coffee pot, slippers, fresh towels, cold and hot shower. About Wi-Fi speed in this room, situation like this. Possible to take executive twin room with 2 beds. On the first floor, lounge area. And gym.